guys, it's finally summertime and I'm so excited to share some of these things with you, and I absolutely love my pool and I love these two products. And while they will remove chlorine, they won't stop this from happening.
Okay guys, so I have 3 swatches. I have one with permanent and I have this with a toner for 20 minutes, and then this is a vivid hair color. These are all going to go swimming with me for 30 minutes. So this is the one that didn't go in the pool, and then this is the one that went in the pool. See the difference in the hue a little bit, but this is permanent color, not too bad. I do see a change in the depth of richness as well. Now this is the one that wasn't in the pool, and this is the one that was in the pool. A bit of a difference in that. There's definitely a tonal shift in there, and it's not as icy. Continual dips in the pool, and you're gonna have some yellow hair in about 2-3 goes. This is a vivid color, okay? Look at that. That's a huge difference for me. Look at the comparison, neck to neck of that. Like, that is 30 minutes in the pool. So if you're gonna be swimming and you come to me and you ask for Vivids, it's probably not gonna happen.
These products will remove chlorine from your hair, but they will not stop the results that happen in the pool.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.